Hello, I'm Jordan Bentley, one of the attorneys at McIntyre Elder Law, and I want to talk about what happens when you pass away without a will. So if you die and you don't have a will, the laws of North Carolina, the intestate succession laws, are what dictates where your stuff goes. And that could be a problem if you're a blended family, if you have nieces, nephews, people that you take care of that rely on you that aren't your children, or if you've been married, you have multiple marriages, kids from multiple marriages. While the state's will or the intestate succession laws aren't crazy, they're not out there. You're not leaving stuff to random people. It goes to your spouse and your kids first if they're alive, then it would go to your parents if they're alive, and then your siblings. So it makes sense. It's not, a completely arbitrary formula, but it's not personal and it doesn't fit your needs and your family, right? Maybe you have, like I said, stepchildren or nieces and nephews, grandchildren that you care for that rely on you and depend on you for support. Maybe you want them to inherit your stuff. You want to make sure that they're cared for after you pass away. It's very important that you have a will stating that, or you have a trust stating that those people are the beneficiaries of your assets, and outlining the distribution and the amounts and what specific things you'd like them to receive. Again, otherwise, you're leaving it up to the state and you're passing that automatically to your heirs under law. So if you have stepchildren, unless you've legally adopted them, they won't inherit from you. If you have children from multiple marriages, right, any of those children that are your biological children, only if you were married to mom when she had them, if you're a man, if your father, will pass to them. And like I said, if you have people outside of the direct family that you're caring for that rely on you, they won't inherit from you under law. So you want to make sure that you have something like a trust or a very specific will in place in order to make sure that those people get what you want them to get. If you have a blended family, if you have some people relying on you that you might want to know if they're going to receive your stuff or not, you want to make sure they do. You want to make sure they do it the way you want. Give us a call at 888-999-6600 or go online at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling to sit down with one of our attorneys and discuss your estate plan.
Please don't wait till it's too late.